Today I'm going to teach you how to set up two-factor authentication with GitHub. Adding an extra layer of security to your account is essential for protecting your code and personal information. So let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After you've successfully logged in, look towards the upper right corner of your screen where you'll find your profile avatar icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page where you can manage various aspects of your GitHub profile. Now, turn your attention to the left sidebar, scroll through the options until you find Password and Authentication. Click on it to access the security settings for your account. This is where you'll be able to manage how you log in and protect your account from unauthorized access. On the Password and Authentication page, you'll see an option to enable two-factor authentication. Go ahead and click on it. This will initiate the setup process that adds that crucial second step to your login process, making your account significantly more secure. GitHub will display a QR code on your screen. Using an authenticator app on your mobile device, such as Google Authenticator or Authy, scan this QR code. This links your GitHub account to the Authenticator app, which will generate time-based codes for you to use when logging in. Once you've scanned the QR code, navigate to the section labeled Verify the code from the app. Your Authenticator app should now be displaying a 6-digit code. Type this code into the field provided and click Continue. This verifies that your Authenticator app is properly set up and working correctly with your GitHub account. Alternatively, if you prefer to use SMS authentication instead, you'll see an option to select that method. Click Select to proceed with phone-based authentication. After clicking Select, you'll need to click Verify to move forward with the SMS setup. Before you can complete the SMS setup, GitHub needs to verify that you're human. You'll be presented with a CAPTCHA challenge showing 2 images. Your task is to use the arrows provided to rotate the asset in each image so they both face in the same direction. Take your time with this step to ensure accuracy. Once you've aligned the images correctly, click Submit. This confirms you're not a bot and allows you to proceed with setting up your phone number for SMS authentication. Next, enter your phone number into the field provided. Make sure you include your country code to ensure the message reaches you. After entering your number, click Send Authentication Code. GitHub will send a verification code to your phone via text message. You may need to wait a moment for the message to arrive. When you receive the code, enter it into the verification field and click Continue. This finalizes your two-factor authentication setup, and your GitHub account is now protected with an additional security layer. And that's it. You've successfully set up two-factor authentication for your GitHub account, making it much more secure. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.